Hey guys, welcome back to Forrest Speed Shop. So, starting off the video a little bit different, head mount. Yeah, so this is the 1982 Honda Z50. So, I figured let's get into it, figure out what's up with it. As you can see right here, this ain't, oh. Hello? Well, it re-engaged itself. That was weird. Okay. I guess that's good. So we're gonna figure out why it's not kicking over the rest of the motor. I was told it wasn't locked up. I don't know how much I believe that, but even if it is, it's not gonna be too hard to fix. Yeah. So, yeah, we're gonna do another time-lapse video. So, get ready, kids. Here we go. Alright guys, so, yeah. Well, I guess the first thing I'm gonna say is this thing is 100% going in my dishwasher. It needs quite the cleaning, and as I figured. I'm pulling off this side cover right here. I just noticed has a big freaking crack in it. Dang. Yeah, I'm just pulling this off. Is I would like to remove this and look at all the stuff in there, and hey, it does turn over. Actually, I'm turning it over by hand. Cool. Okay, it has neutral. It's neutral. I thought that was neutral. Hello. Alright guys, so I'm gonna pull this off here in just a second. Gonna go run inside and grab my impact and such. And then I'm gonna pull the pegs off, and we're gonna get to looking at the underside of it. Or not the underside, sorry. We're gonna get to looking at the other side of it. So I'll be right back with that. So tell me what you're thinking now. Come on there, bud. Not hurt. Okay, so this is either gonna go one of two ways. It's either gonna go okay and it's gonna work, or it's just gonna be really bad. By really bad, I mean like this thing isn't gonna come off without me like breaking something. So we'll find out. Let's see. So these pulleys, like the pullers for these pulleys, are actually pretty decent. I've had this one for a while since I had the XR100, but now it's time for wrench on it by hand. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Good Lord Almighty. That concerned me. I thought I just broke the rest of it. Ooh! Son. That ain't looking so hot. It might work though. I say might. Yeah. Well, let's get back to the time lapse, and we have no way to test this. But let's get back to the time lapse, and we'll look at it later. Alright guys, so we're here with the bike, and whenever you push down on this, it should spin this. You should be spinning the motor this way. So you should be spinning the motor when you push down on that. And as you can see, it's not doing that. And there's something over here. I don't know where I put it. But a chunk of something. Aha, here it is. This came out of there. I don't know whether it's like a tooth or something. So something in there is broken. So I don't know what, and I don't know why, but we are gonna have to find out. Alright guys, so as you can see, it is a mess. I was not able to split the cases. I can't get the rear sprocket off, and I need a puller, and I don't have one right now. So we're going to pick up in the next episode with the cases split apart, hopefully, and or split in the cases apart. It doesn't really matter too much to me, but we're going to pick up in the next episode, continuing on, trying to figure out the transmission problem, and then hopefully, or the transmission, the Kickstarter problem. Hopefully after we figure out the Kickstarter problem, we can put everything back together. There's a possibility, I'm saying this just because there's a possibility that this thing might get a big bore kit. You know, it'd be a lot of fun. So we're gonna throw everything back together. I would really like, I do want to say something, I'd really like to stick with the stock, like kind of looking kill switch right here, but it'd be much easier to get the non-stock version, and it'd probably be better. I don't know. We'll find out. We'll see what happens. I kind of want to restore this. Like, kind of want to restore it, but at the same time, you know, I do want to have some fun with it. I don't want it to just be some little, like, keep it in the storage kind of bike. I want to actually be able to go ride it around. But we'll get to that later on.
Ooh. It's not nice when you're working with engine parts. So let's, that. Alright. Let me move y'all a little bit closer so y'all can see this. But, this is the Z50. It's been, hold on. Oh. Alright guys, welcome back. It's been a couple months. I got busy with school, some other stuff. But I'm back. We're back with the Z50. Yeah, I found the problem. So, I'm working on splitting those cases. And, oh my lord. There we go. Working on splitting the cases, and I'm hearing stuff rattle around. There are a lot of teeth right there. And there are a lot of missing teeth right there. And then these things are all chipped up too. You know, there's a lot of rattling around in the case. Not exactly the best thing you want to hear. So, with that said, I ordered a new transmission for it. New transmission pieces is what I was originally planning on, but it was the same price as buying a 4-speed. So, the Z50 is getting upgraded to a 4-speed. So yeah, next video, we're going to be throwing that into the Z50, and actually I'm about to start recording that video, because it's been a while, but you know, just do the outro for this one, and I wanted to show you guys this before we just move on to the next video. So, if y'all enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Check me out on Instagram at Forrest Speed Shop, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video when we go to throw the transmission in it and put it back together.